Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Where 2024 Summer Olympics Paris 3000 meter runner Olivia Gourth is happy too early, and where's that moment is turning right now. 2000 meter runner Olivia Gourth was happy too early on Summer Olympics, and where's I also watched that moment. It was a viral moment, and that moment is turning right now. Check out, guys. It is a must watch moment when 3000 meter runner Olivia Gourth is happy too early.